So we are going to discuss and we are going to study voice, right? So we are having voice of two kinds. The first one is active voice and the second one is passive voice. So give the heading like this: active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. Written? Yes. So first of all, we are going to define what is active voice. We are going to define what is active voice. So now, right, active voice means here the work is done by the subject, right? The work is done by the subject, by the subject. So whenever the work is done by the subject, it is called active voice. Whenever the work is done by the subject, it is called active voice. Clear? Passive voice, right? The work is done. The work is done to the subject. To the subject. So here the work is done to the subject. Work is done to the subject. Subject. This we have studied. What is called subject? Subject किसे कहते हैं? So in English, whenever we are talking about anything, यानी कि अंग्रेजी भाषा में हम जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं या चर्चा करते हैं, that is called subject. That is called subject. If the sentence is Ramesh is eating an apple, so in this sentence we are talking about Ramesh. So Ramesh is subject. Ramesh is subject. यानी सर जिस भी सेंटेंस में हम जिसके बारे में बात करेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे, that is called subject. That is called subject. An apple is being eaten by Ramesh. तो इस वाक्य में हमने एप्पल के बारे में बात किया. किसके बारे में बात किया? एप्पल. So apple is our subject. Apple is our subject. So after writing these definitions, what we are going to do? We are going to write one sentence. Okay, the sentence is, write the example. Ramesh is eating an apple. Ramesh is eating an apple. Ramesh is eating an apple. This sentence is example of active voice. This sentence is example of active voice. What is the passive? Right here. An apple. Okay, very good. An apple is being eaten by Ramesh. An apple is being eaten by Ramesh. So now you see, first sentence we are talking about Ramesh. So Ramesh is our subject. Ramesh is our subject. And the second sentence you see, an apple is being eaten by Ramesh. In this sentence we are talking about an apple. So an apple is here subject. First sentence you see, work is done. Means eating work is done by the subject. So this is called active voice. So this is called active voice. Second one you see, eating work is done to the subject. Means apple is only eaten. Apple is only eaten. So this is called passive voice. So this is called passive voice. This much is clear? Can we proceed? Right. So now we all can see one picture. Example, this is Ramesh. Right. This is Ramesh, and he is having apple which he is eating. He is having apple and which he is eating. So what to understand now? Means what to understand is that ऐसा नहीं है कि दो घटनाएं घट रही है. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक्टिव वॉइस अलग हो रहा है संसार में और पैसिव वॉइस अलग हो रहा है. They both are only same incident. They both are same incident. It depends on the speaker. It depends on the speaker about whom he or she want to discuss or talk. यानी आप दोनों में से किसके बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं? That depends on the speaker. That depends on the speaker. Now see, example, if my focus is on Ramesh, if my focus is on Ramesh, then I will talk about Ramesh. Then Ramesh will become my subject. So the sentence will be Ramesh is eating an apple. Ramesh is eating an. This is situation number 1. This is situation number. Example 2 you see. But if my focus is not on Ramesh, my focus is on apple. And I am talking about apple. And I am talking about apple. So I will make the sentence starting with apple. My more focus is on apple. So the sentence will be an apple is being eaten by Ramesh. So this is becoming passive voice. This is becoming passive voice. So today's class we are going to study all the rules. आज की क्लास में हम बहुत सारे रूल्स पढ़ेंगे. एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे चेंज करते हैं, पैसिव वॉइस को एक्टिव वॉइस में कैसे चेंज करते हैं. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. आज के क्लास में ये सारी चीजें हम सीखने वाले हैं. सो आई एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, राइट, दैट यू हैव टू बिकम वेरी गुड इन कम्युनिकेशन. बातचीत में आपको अच्छा बनना है, एंड ऑल्सो इन राइटिंग, और लिखने में भी आपको अच्छा बनना है. इज इट क्लियर? Can we start? Okay.